Welcome to History's Hiccups, Part 69. Step into the arena with Flamma, the Syrian gladiator who turned down freedom 4 times to continue fighting in ancient Rome's Colosseum. With a record boasting 33 wins, 4 draws, and only 9 losses, Flamma became a legend, fighting not for his release, but for the roar of the crowd and the thrill of combat. Born into slavery, Flamma was granted the rare opportunity of the rudis, a wooden sword symbolizing freedom, yet he chose the sands of the arena over life as a free man. His dedication to the gladiator's life, despite its inherent dangers, showcases the complex interplay of honor, identity, and fame in the brutal world of Roman entertainment.